Welcome. Let's set up your first brand. A brand is a fact file the AI builds about your company, so every article you write can use your real products, pricing, and story. Here on the brands page you just type your website and hit research. I'll add Autoblogging.ai. Watch, the AI scrapes the live site and writes a complete brand profile in the background. This usually takes a couple of minutes, so I'll fast forward. Notice the status badge moving through scraping, then analyzing. The moment it flips to ready, your brand is built, and you never had to type a single fact yourself. Here's the fact file the AI just built. Your story, your products, your pricing, who you serve, even your unique selling points, each one is its own editable field. The AI got you 90% of the way, you just polish the rest. Two fields matter most. Brand type tells the AI what kind of company you are, so it frames every article correctly. And custom writing style, your brand voice. Describe how you sound once, and every single article inherits that tone automatically. Open a brand row and you'll find connections. Link a publishing platform, like WordPress, and finished articles publish straight to that site in one click. Link Google Search Console, and the AI can see which keywords you already rank for and write to win more of them. No site yet? Connect a new one right from here. Connect once, and every article for this brand knows exactly where to go. Now let's write. This is quick single. First, your title. Then pick your brand, and watch the type drop down. 3 new article types light up, types you can only run once the AI knows your brand. Listicle, where your brand ranks number 1. Brand versus competitor comparisons. And press releases. Let's look at each. Type 1, the listicle, where your brand is number 1. Perfect for guest posts and roundups, because your brand always tops the list. Add the competitors you want ranked below you. I'll type Jasper and write Sonic, or leave it empty and we discover them from live search. Choose how many items the list has. And tick hero images. We screenshot every site on the list and drop it under each entry. Then hit generate. That's the whole form. And here's a finished listicle. Your brand sits at number 1, and look, a real hero screenshot of each website on the list, captured for you. It reads naturally, because it's humanized. Want to know exactly what built it? Open generation settings. Every choice you made is recorded right here, and reuse these settings refills the whole form in one click for perfect consistency next time. Type 2, the comparison. You versus a named competitor, like Autoblogging versus Jasper. These are decision pages. People search them right before they buy, and the article lays out the choice on your terms, grounded in your real features. You just type the title and the AI builds the whole head-to-head. Type 3, the press release. Launching a feature or sharing news? This formats your announcement properly and pulls in your real brand facts, so it sounds official and accurate, not generic. Great for product launches and company updates. And type 4, your everyday informative article, but written with your brand attached. The AI weaves in your facts and voice naturally, so even a standard how-to or explainer feels unmistakably yours. This is your bread and butter content, on brand by default. One last thing. Everything you just saw works in bulk too. The same brand section is right here. Pick your brand, choose your type, and generate dozens of on-brand articles at once. Set it up once, write at scale forever.